My name is Gashaija Boneri and I'm a content creator. I try to make content about AI. How can AI generate money? With few things, with your phone, with your computer, with your camera, with anything else. What can you do to make money using AI? AI here is making people to get money. If you click subscribe on my YouTube channel, you will get more ideas and you will get how you can make money using AI. Today, we are going to make a video using AI. We are going to ask AI if we can make a video by choosing a random stranger, then it is going to guide me how I can make a video step by step. So then I practice it, then we will see if that video is really going to perform very well. Do you believe that AI can help someone to get money?
Yes, it can help you to get money.
In which way?
So you can just ask how to create a business strategy and marketing for those ways to help you to create jobs, all innovations, and then it can help you to get information and more information for about the business, what you're going to do. Yes.
Did you ever use the AI to
Yes.
just to give you like a guidelines or how you can do something and you achieve it?
Yes, they are helping me to create pictures to my assignments at here at school.
Yes.
They are helping me to get information and to lead the news. Because of my favorite is Gemini. You know the Gemini?
Yeah.
Yes, a Gemini. I'm using a Gemini.
Yes.
Yes. It started helping me to create pictures, to read the news from different sides, different countries. Yes.
What if you are with your phone and you are with only your computer? Can you make money using AI? Some people, they have the ideas, they have the tools, and they don't have the way, they don't have the idea. You may have the tools, you may have computer, you may have your phone, but you don't have what can you do to make money. AI is here to help you to know what can you do. So today, I'm going to ask ChatGPT, just ChatGPT, to ask ChatGPT what can I do to use just my phone, my computer, and my camera to make money. So we are going to be together. Everything I will do will be recorded. So you will see if I'm going to perform. If I'm going to fail, you will see it. Okay, as you see, all those videos and all that video I make, I just follow the guidelines and opinion from ChatGPT, the camera movement, the camera shots, all those camera angles are the guidance of ChatGPT. Can someone have the knowledge and improve it using AI? AI can help you to make some videos. I know some AI can make the videos, but AI can even help you to make your video using the opinion and the guidance from AI, but you make your own video. So people are making money using some AIs. So be included to make money using AI. Think about getting money after using AI. How many times do you use AI per day? Imagine all those times you get money. Most of the people can make content, they can tell story, they can give out their feelings. Some people, they have the idea, but they don't have the opportunity to improve their idea. AI can help you to make everything easy. Some of the people, they use AI to make their CV. Some of the people, they use AI to make their calculations. So AI can help each and everyone to get money wherever you are, you can get money using AI. Most of the people, they are using AI is just while making their content on TikTok, YouTube. So that is good, but AI can help you to change the world using the ability you have. Some people, they have the ability of doing something, but they are not using it in a correct way. Most of the people, they need someone who need to give them the advice. The first person who can give you, oh, a place where you can get a best advice, you can just join AI. AI have come to just to simplify or make the work easy for the people everywhere, whether you are the content creator, whether you need to get a job, whether you need to get a business idea. Most of the people, they believe that AI can help them. Others, they say that never trust AI, but AI must be trusted because when you use AI just used to search the information from the books, from the internet, from those people who said something. Many people can ask themselves, where did AI just get those answers? Most of the people, they ask that, why can't AI say that I don't know this one? Because AI, it just take all those things written in the books, other things on the internet, other things people can respond to AI, then it can give you the answer. So AI is the best one which can help you to just, it can help you to simplify your work. Either you are doing your business, you can say, you talk to AI openly, you say, AI, in these days, I have my business is falling. What can I do? So today I'm going to make a video, just a simple video using the instructions I got from AI. I just asked AI so that help me to make the camera shots or give me an idea I can do to just film a person, one person sitting. So I'm going to do it following the AI regulation rules. Just I used ChatGPT. Then we will see if the result could be good or it could be bad. So some of the people, they have the idea, they have the exaggerations, but they don't know where, they don't think that where can I put all those things. But AI is going to help you to make your business, is going to help you to make your content, is going to help you to do whatever, even asking jobs, even emotionally. Some people, they can date just by asking AI. So thank you. Today, I'm going to show that video, then we'll be together.